Keeping it extremely simple. Again, going back to Tango, and this is the 4 step. Just one small step, but concentrating on your technique. So don't forget, in the Tango, you're just that little bit lower, slightly turned in the body, bent in the knees, body weight forward a little. So with the 4 step, I'm going to take a forward step for 1. Don't forget it's heels in Tango. Step to the side, then we step back and close. Very simple 4 step. Comes nicely. You've got your link, your closed promenade, and you can go straight into your 4 step there. Nice and simple. So, down slightly, get that little bit of CBMP as you're going into it. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. Nice and easy in the Tango. Technique, very important. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep that nice low profile. The ladies, forgot my frock. Again, turned into your partner slightly, bent in the knees. It's back, side, forward, close. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So obviously it's quick, 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 slow. So we've got quick, 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 slow. And then you're ready to go on to your next step. Don't forget, as we've always done in the Tango, get that weight transfer and it's a little bit more positive. So you're not waiting for it to happen or getting ahead of it. It moves a little bit stronger across in the Tango, but be aware of that central balance part there where the weight actually goes across. Don't do it like that. Simple 4 step Tango, add it into your routine.